yang kurangkan tu. Your husband banyak support you tak?
Yes, banyak. I mean, sebab I betul-betul ni Kak, I cakap, after I gain 25 kg, because I tak pernah gain weight, except when I get pregnant. So before that, I memang my weights memang maintain je until I kahwin, I get pregnant. During my pregnancy, I gain so much weight. I mean like until 25 kg. And then after dah bersalin, it's still long way to go. You know, it's not an easy journey, especially after you give birth. I mean like your body is so different, your hormones, everything is so different, you know. So bila I cakap my husband, I cakap, I think I wanna go to the gym. I nak start exercise. I cakap sebab I don't like myself. I mean I don't feel good. When I see in the mirror, I tengok diri I rasa macam I gemuk kat perut, dekat peha, dekat kaki I. So I don't feel good sebab all my baju, semua baju I, seluar I tak muat tau. So I macam jadi frust. So bila I jadi frust tu yang membuatkan I macam okay, I have to do something. So itu je I macam ni Kak. I cakap after 3-4 months, no, not really. After 6 months I rasa. After 6 months I slowly start jogging. Lepas tu I sign up gym. Masa tu I still kerja tau.
You kerja lagi?
Masa tu I masih kerja. Sebab now I dah housewife full time.
You housewife and then you ada anak lagi. How
Yes.
do you manage?
So when I have my first one, I still kerja. So nak kerja dengan anak, and then you nak pergi gym lagi. So I memang betul-betul curi-curi masa lah. So I pergi tu memang after working hours. I balik kerja, and then I take turn dengan my husband. Hari ni I pergi, besok dia pergi. Hari lusa I pergi, lepas tu dia pergi. So we take turn lah. So masa tu lah yang I slowly start. I think almost 1 year juga kot. I nak betul-betul losekan all the fats yang
1 year
1 year tau, lama. 1 year plus juga I rasa. I mean,
macam you check ke your fat sekarang berapa?
I check.
Berapa your fat sekarang? If you don't mind.
Last I check was last month 21%.
Okay, I baru check last 2 days. Oh my god, I frust gila, tinggi. 29.
Okay.
Tinggi sebab before this it used to be 20, below 20 macam tu. You ada check tak macam?
I just check my weight. Sebab I do a lot of weights kan. So it helps me lah. So kadang-kadang orang tanya I, kenapa you don't have like all those, kan bila you lose a lot of fats, you tend to be like macam
flabby and stuff.
So that's why I said the weights